Food with Vincent. This pizza dough recipe is from Natasha's kitchen. Hi, I'm Vincent, and today I'm gonna make pizza dough. I'm gonna help my mom make pizza dough. You need it to be 105 degrees and 110 degrees. Now we need to put in salt and honey, then stir. Be careful so you don't spill on the counter. Put in the yeast, and then we put it in the corner. Make a hole in the middle of your flour. It's hard, but my mom is gonna help me. Mix it well until it's well blended. Let it rise to 4 to 5 hours. It's time to let it rise. Yay! We divided the pizza dough to 2 equal parts. One we will bake now, and the others go to the fridge for later. Stretch the pizza dough to make the crust. We made our crust. Now we need to put the salsa. Nessa, are you ready? Mm-hmm. So fun. Now we need to put the cheese on. So fun. It's time to place the pepperoni for my dad. For my dad. It's time for the oven. Okay. Come on. Put it in the oven. Come on. Our pizza's in the oven. I can't wait. Yes! When the pizza's done, we'll show you how the pizza is like. Our pizza's ready. I can't wait to eat it. First, we need to cut it. For steak. think. It's time to do the taste test. Time to taste test. Very good. I don't like pepperoni. Not that too. Not that too. Thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe. Try my pizza. Bye. And make sure you